You've probably heard people saying Florida's housing market is cooling down. Some even think Tampa's market is in trouble. But is that really true? In August, we saw 3.5 to 5 months of inventory, nearly 30% of listings cutting prices, and 27 homes that failed to sell completely. That's a huge shift compared to the frenzy we had just a couple years ago. But here's the real question. Does this mean Tampa's market is crashing or just balancing out? Let's break it all down. Hello, I'm Shanika, and this is my husband Saul, and together we're the Hernandez team. Welcome back to Viva Tampa, where we create these videos just for you, sharing what it's really like to live and move to the Tampa Bay area. From exploring specific towns and neighborhoods to addressing important topics like market updates or cost of living, our channel is packed with valuable information just for you. Be sure to check out our other videos for answers to all your questions.
That's right. And if Tampa sounds like a place you'd like to move to and need some help finding the right home for you and your family, reach out to us. We'd be honored to be your local real estate choice. Now, we help people just like you every week, and we love the opportunity to help you find your dream home right here in Tampa Bay. Let's connect on Zoom or by phone to understand your goals and see how we can best support your journey. Y para todos mis latinos, también se habla español.
All right, so now let's get into our market update. Here's where we stand as of August. Tampa has between 3.5 to 5 months of inventory. That means we're still in a slight seller's market, but shifting towards balance.
So as you can see here, the median sale price in July was about $437,000, which is down 4.6% year over year. Homes set an average of 45 days, which is 18 days longer than last year. And we saw 490 homes sold in July, nearly 8% fewer than last year.
And here's a big one. Almost 30% of listings now have price reductions. That's a clear sign we're moving away from the aggressive seller's market we had before.
Now let's talk a bit about the absorption rate, the market balance indicator. At about 3.5 months of inventory, we're technically still in a seller's market, but we're creeping closer to a balance. Remember, a true balanced market is about 6 months of inventory or so.
This shift means buyers are gaining more leverage in negotiations, while sellers still have an edge in desirable neighborhoods. It also means pricing strategy matters more than ever, and buyers finally have time to make decisions without the rush.
Now let's talk about failed listings, right? The opportunity signal. In August, 27 homes failed to sell. They expired or were withdrawn because they didn't find buyers, basically.
And the reasons are clear: overpricing, lack of updates or staging, unrealistic expectations, or poor marketing.
Now for buyers, those expired listings are opportunities. Sellers who could sell the first time around may be more willing to negotiate now.
Now let's talk about pricing. July's median sale price was $437,000, which is down 4.6% from last year.
And homes are taking longer, 45 days on average to sell. Price reductions are becoming more common, and sellers are offering concessions like closing costs or repair credits just to get the deal done.
Premium pricing now only holds for turnkey homes in top neighborhoods. If you're not in that category, you need to adjust your expectations.
So now let's talk about the bigger picture, right? The Florida market context. So what's happening in Tampa isn't just local, it's statewide. Insurance premiums are rising 20 to 40%. HOAs are adding fees and assessments, and overdevelopment has left some communities with too much inventory.
But Tampa still stands out compared to other Florida markets, thanks to a diverse job market, lifestyle amenities, and continued relocation demand from out-of-state buyers.
Now, for buyers out there, this is going to be your playbook for this market. So the first thing you want to do is secure pre-approval early. Rates are volatile, and you need that strength. Number 2, you want to target season listing homes. Those are the ones that have been on the market for 45 to 90 days. Those are going to be easy to negotiate.
The third strategy is request concessions. Closing costs, repair credits, even upgrade allowances are on the table. And for number 4, explore the hidden market, which are expired or withdrawn listings, and they are great opportunities for off-market deals.
So now give you your playbook, and now it's time for the sellers, right? Sellers are probably like, what about us? Well, this is a playbook for all sellers.
Yes, sellers, here's your strategy to win right now. First is price competitively. The first 2 weeks are very critical. Price it right from the start. Number 2, presentation absolutely matters. Professional staging, photography, and marketing aren't optional anymore.
Number 3 is you want to act quickly. If you don't see showings in the first 2 to 3 weeks, adjust before your listing goes stale. And number 4, be flexible, right? You want to be flexible. Offer closing costs, repair credits, or warranties to make your home stand out.
Now let's dive into the local trends and insights.
So let's break down a few neighborhoods. In Lutz, inventory is about 3.2 months, but 22 homes failed to sell in August. Updated homes near top schools are still holding premiums.
Over in New Tampa, average days on market is now 52 days, and many sellers are withdrawing their listings rather than cutting prices. New construction incentives are also pressuring resale values.
Now, Westchase, on the other hand, is still competitive with just 2.8 months of inventory. Walkability and amenities are driving demand, and price reductions are lower than average.
And in Seminole Heights, character homes under $400K are performing very well. They're averaging only 32 days on the market, which is faster than the market as a whole.
So here are your key takeaways, right? So what does this all mean? Well, Tampa's market is cooling, not crashing. This is a healthy correction.
Buyers now have more leverage, but sellers with updated homes in great areas still hold advantages.
And location matters more than ever now. Lifestyle-driven neighborhoods are outperforming.
So looking ahead, Tampa's fundamentals remain strong. We have a robust and diversifying job market, no state income tax, a growing arts and culture scene, and major infrastructure improvements underway.
The current cooling phase is short-term. Tampa continues to rank among the top cities in the U.S. for population growth, job creation, and quality of life. Long-term stability and growth are still on our side.
So whether you're buying or selling, strategy is everything in this market, and we'd love to create the right one for your situation.
Now feel free to reach out to us for your personalized market update on your neighborhood. Call, text, or email us anytime.
And you can also schedule a no obligation consultation call. Our link will be in the description below.
That's free. We don't charge for that.
Also, please be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for tips and more real estate news in Tampa. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with all of our latest videos. Take care and stay blessed. Okay, well, I don't know.
I see.
This shit means... Now, let's move into price trends, the reality check.
No, man, I'm sorry, because I was trying not to laugh, my nostrils flared up. I'm sorry.
Number 3 is request. I can't do.
And location matters. It always has and always will. More than ever, lifestyle.